Sanwanani, and welcome back to another video where we look at some of your interesting takes when it comes to Ingane Zesithembu Season 3 Episode 2. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also show love by liking, commenting, because I do love to hear your thoughts. Ayikesana, let's get right into it. uMancintshane yena uthi oko kwakulotsholwa endaweni ezimbini kumpumelelo, hayi ibhubesi, kuzophela lesizini kungalotsholiwe again through. And then uMichelle uthi, I don't know how you people expect Ompilo to respond to the disrespect she has been receiving from Usne over the years, full of herself by protecting her feelings, hayi nina. uNelisa ke yena uthi, can Ompilo get an actual storyline? Every season uxoxa lento kaSne. uMbalenhle yena ke uthi indlela engemthanda ngayo uSne angazi why eziphoxa. As much as she's been going through a lot, but nabanye are going through a lot, she should not be disrespectful ngoba nakho ethembe ukuthi uzovusa ipast yakhe in her defense. And then uConfidence uthi uMpilo is full of herself. uKG yena uthi lo mfana akamuhloniphi ubaba wakhe, ukhuluma ngathi ukhuluma nalezi intombi zakhe, awukhulumi nomuntu okuzalayo kanjena, umnika ithuba umlalele futhi wenze ngendlela abona ngayo, ngoba sasingeke sibe khona isisho esithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Ingoba bona basuke sebazi okuningi okungaphezulu kwakho, manje lona usafuna ukufundiswa inhlonipho kuqala bese etshela ukuthi akhulume kanjani ubaba wakhe. uYolanda yena uthi bakithi umseleku inhliziyo yakhe isasele kuVuyukazi, ukube kuya ngaye ingabe uyamubuyisa. uLinde yena uthi one thing about abantwana, bakhuluma nawe ngendlela obakhulise ngayo. Uyabona nje uMusa umumoshile lo mfana, manje sokungathi uyamdelela, kanti cha, indlela amkhulise ngayo ekhuza njalo uMayeni kumanje unyuka naye ngengalo. uMagdalene yena uthi his arrogance, he's being selfish for not fighting for iy'ngane zakhe. Though he has a point somehow, none of us know what really happened when she took her kids from yena uSibindi. If uMusa wants to assist, he should directly speak to abazali bakaVuyukazi and sort out the kids matter, and not push uSibindi to communicate with someone's wife. If yena uMseleku does not communicate with his exes, why force uMpumelelo to communicate with his? There are many baby mamas who have no relationship with their baby daddies, but their own parents intervene for peace sake. uNkosinathi yena uthi uMpumelelo uqinisile, awunalungelo lengane if umuntu wesilisa. This is why vele kuthiwa kumele niqale nishade before having kids, because kusuke kugwemeka zonke lezi zinto lezi esiyibona manje with baby daddies and baby mama drama, because abantu abashadile and they chose to do izinto zabantu badala kwaba khona iy'ngane. So now this is the price that we paying impela as people, as African people, ukuthi sizala ngaphandle komshado. And nje lento yakhe uVuyo ukuthi move on that quick kumsizile uMpumelelo ukuthi ayikhiphe kule situation, ngoba kwasekuqaleni vele wayengayimisele ngokwenza okulungile for uVuyokazi, let alone ingane. Singamention nje ingane, for uVuyokazi alone he could not do that, he didn't want to do that, and now wasizakala ukuthi manje usezoyikhipha nasey'nganeni zakhe. uValentine yena uthi ngoba umfana masengakuthandi akakuthandi nezingane zakho. Yey Nkosi yami, ngicela siyikhulume le ndaba yezingane. Do you want kids noma ufuna ukuthi ubambe indoda noma uzalela indoda? Because kwaphela nje sana izingane kuzoba ezakho. So keep having your 3, 4, 5, 10 kids. Yakushiya nje indoda uzosala nalowo 10 kids wakho. So please guys, when you have a kid nje, have a kid ngoba you want the kid, uzwazi wena ukuthi mayengahlona nalo muntu ngizokwazi ukunakekela ingane, ngiyisupporte, ngiyinakekele, ngiyinikele luthando, yabo. Ngoba guyzini kumnandi namhlanje kusasa kuyashintsha. Indoda ngavuka nje kusasa ingakufuni, and then you are left with your 5 kids, no income, no support, no nothing. So please guys, please, indoda nje mayengasakufuni nengane zakho, definitely ngeke ifuni. uSibahlena uthi when it was uVuyokazi he only wanted itshitshi. Yo sana, and then uPretty waphendula wathi kwakuyindlela nje yakhe yokumxosha nje, wayengasamfuni vele, wenza kahle uVuyo wayihambela. Ish guys, ibhlungu impela. But honestly I do feel like he was going to go ahead nale plan yakhe yetshitshi guys. Like honestly I do feel like that was the plan, but plans changed because uVuyokazi moved on that quick, and nalama tshitshi lawa abewatholile abezo-replace uVuyokazi amshiya. So I think he went back to the drawing board, what you know what, akabambe lo okhona manje, and then ke ukuze lokho kuzomnika isikhathi sokuthi awabheke kahle lama tshitshi afuna ukwafaka ngaphakathi, ngoba ubonile ukuthi lento yokulokho edonsa abantu nje emaceleni doesn't mean ukuthi labo bantu labo are gonna be like good wives, yabo. You can't just choose umuntu based on the fact ukuthi nje uyitshitshi nje kuphela. What qualities have you seen ukuthi lo muntu can be a good wife? So uTirelo right yena bewokuqala because uyamazi, uyam-understanda, and ngoba esho nje ukuthi uhlezi ephusha naye i-social lakhe whatever, so ku-right akube uyena oqala, then ke abheke kahle ke whichever tshitshi afuna ukulifaka ke emva wakhe. uAmanda yena uthi hayi impilo ongeke ehla emthini. Yo sana, when it comes to indaba kaSneh noMpilo, I do see both sides. Boba u2 barongi. uSneh urong ukuthi she does not want to take accountability for izinto ezirong azenzayo. uMpilo urong ukuthi athi akanindaba. I feel like when you have siblings, ipride nje uyayehlisa, especially ma ukuthi wena wazi kahle ukuthi awenzanga lutho. If it's uMpilo akenzanga lutho kuSneh and there's no reason to apologize, then indlela amphatha ngayo uSneh should not change. If uMpilo is kind and friendly to everyone, then she must be kind and friendly to uSneh naye. Yebo leyo nto, why should it change now that uSneh has come out saying ukuthi ufake na. In fact, ukuyidistance kakhulu kuSneh shows ukuthi okay, there is some truth kulento eshiwo uSneh, because uMakhumalo wants uMpilo to remain the same, engashintshi, but now ugeli uthi yena she's gonna distance herself, yabo. So I assess, but we're gonna see ukuthi how this plays out. uZandile uthi cha nje uMpilo ngimbona embukela phansi nje uSneh, and then uJabu uthi Mpilo, one day you will need uSneh, never say never, even if she doesn't have anything right now, but one day you will need something that doesn't need money at all. uZamaswazi yena uthi lento ibilula nje, uMseleku akahlawule izingane ayithenge zizokwazi ukuvakasha noma inini eMzumbe zikhule zimazi nobaba wazo. uXoli yena uthi we wasiqoma isidenge uVuyo akazukhona nokuba yiphathi enganini zakhe, engabe ebukela nakubaba wakhe indlela abathanda kanjani bona bonke. Cha, udle enzima ikorobela uSibindi le enza engasafuni nix ehlangene nezingane zakhe. uSiviwe uthi so uSibindi utshata uTirelo just because usupporta his vision, not because uyamthanda, kusezoba ngumlilo weBig Nuz. uLecrisha yena uthi kodwa ke emaqinisweni wonke akekho umuntu ongashada umuntu engamthandi, not at all darling. Okunye ngeke ushade nomuntu ngokuthi nje uyamthanda kuphela, kumele kube khona okunye okuthandayo ngayo. Omunye ke uthi had to fast forward through Abo's whole boring scene. Yo, clearly without uSneh and iBhubesi there is no show laphayana. uLungefaniswe uthi yena aniboni yini ukuthi uSneh ulwa ngoMpilo cause uMpilo uhlala nomama angamfuni, yikho sengasamfuni noMpilo. Kanti ke uMpilo uyaphatheka, akanamama amzondayo, kwaMseleku uyingane nje uMpilo ephathekayo. uMambingo uthi i-attitude kaMpilo is too much, that's why I can't see her noma wrong or right. Yes, I do feel like uMpilo at times does inherit a beef, especially when it comes to uMakhumalo noSneh. But now ngoba uMakhumalo ethi no, you have to be kind to her no matter what, and manje iyamhlula ke leyo nto uMpilo, cause now she has made it clear ukuthi akamfuni umuntu ongamfuni umuntu amthandayo or amhloniphayo. So it's gonna be difficult ngoba uSne uthi uyakhuluma noLwandle noMpumelelo no-Abo, kuzosala yena ngaphandle phela if she does not make peace. uMehlo yena uthi lokhu ngamazi uhlezi eyolobola uSibindi. And guys, ngempela yazi izophela ngempela le season engalobolanga umuntu, because every season he's talking big talk but ama actions aswaboni. Gwiqiqi nakho kuthiwa he doesn't have money, uzolobola ngani, akanamuzi, uzobabeka phi labafazi afuna ukubalobola. Kuningi guys, kuningi. Sobona ukuthi izogcina laphi lento yakhe. uNophinki uthi hayibo izoba ngowedlozi ngoku. Waphendula ke uNtombi wathi ewe kaloku watsho uBhubesi wathi umfazi wokuqala ngowedlozi, number 2 ngokaMusa noMayeni, owakhe kuyoba ngunumber 3. Shuthi ke sana ke lo Tirelo lo athi yena wakhe unkosikazi kuzoba unumber 3. Shuthi manje useyayikhipha futhi kena uTirelo sethi no, uTirelo sezoba wedlozi, usazomfuna okuyena yena kuzoba owakhe. Kusazoshuba ngoba yeka ke uMpumelelo esetreata ke lo wesithathu specially ngoba nakho ke kungowakhe. Laba abanye wedlozi nalo wabazali treated differently, ukuthi how is that going to go nalamanye amakhosikazi? What divide is that going to cause? Yo sana kuningi.